Good afternoon and good light, way showers and illuminators. Today's sound of color activation is summoning the grounding energies of red, the deep reds, burgundies, berries, this deep-rooted Gaiac energy. The energy of your sacral root chakra. Let it sink deep, deep, deep within you and feel the colors of the reds and the burgundies, of berries and grapes on the vine, and pomegranates and watermelon and cherries. A deep, beautiful vineyard. For miles and miles and miles, the beautiful, deep reds. The blossoms and tulips, the deepest rose. Let it fill you and hold you. In the harmonic vibration of this grounding sensation. Breathe in the depth of it. Smell the fruits and the roses. Feel the aura penetrate around you, envelop you. Grounding and igniting your senses simultaneously. Moya hatu wa akashana koapaya. Noya hasanoa oha kama salahana. Hona korashata koapa koapa tora na koingada. Motoria kashoko agana. Noya hasaya korasa baga soha. Mengaya sato. Mondo ya sora hangua sato hakangira ye kabogora nama la sora goa. Iya ya osho. Mohataya. Moya saya nora ko koya paliana ko. Koya hasataya kualasiataya. Hotolura saka teya nono asato ko apoko. Hotoria kashata yanga ya satolua kaha. No sotora kashaya halasataya no poko. Hosoyo ko shotolua ha. Sotolu ko shaya. Hotoyo ko shotorea. Hotolua. Hopoko shotoluaha, hina hitolua. Hotoyo sotoloraka, haya, haya yamora kataya satiata. Moyo ho hayona, hayona, hayona. Hayona Iso toyo kora sina tia la satia, hoitia, hoanakia, hala sotoru, ho shoyo kora, a toyo ko sotoria, hakoya, halaka tia tarhiana. Hiala hihana ya la nusura ilahi itura. Hisayan kantaya, o yoko do yoko sonoa, alika, tikia sala hasaneata loko a shoha, kikara, hotolukoa, hongoa, hatika yasatia, halasatayana, halasatia, hoko, honoko haya, hoko shotoya kayana, asiatayo, hinania satala, hatia sadoko satoyo koshona, hamia hila, hiya yakala, oko yashania tala, saka, tina tia sodoa, kina tiala, nala, namaste, mahala, be in harmony.